Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. Ladies and gentlemen, IonQ stock absolutely surging. I told you guys. Quantum stocks, nobody wants them when they're cheap. Nobody cares about them. And then the hype comes back. I've been giving you the play-by-play. I've been making plenty of videos telling you over and over again, hey, nobody's talking about this. Everyone's focused on memory. Everyone's focused on space. Everyone's focused on all this other garbage that's already ran. That's why it's garbage. Let's buy what's not moving. Let's buy what's still cheap. Let's buy what's still undervalued. And here we are at 56. If you were buying down there under the purple line, you are making out like a bandit. We bought calls recently. We're making money on those. We're going to jump back into calls again. But this thing, we're just getting started, guys. $80 is still far off. And I believe it's going to go to a new high and go to 100 plus. This is just getting started. We're still early. People, I don't know what people are thinking, but this is like buying AI stocks before the boom, right? Even though it doesn't look that way because it's so expensive, right? It's $56 stock, oh no. But guys, if you know how to play calls in a bull run, it's very easy because it just keeps going up. Now, we are at a key point in the markets right now. We are at a huge resistance level on IonQ. As you can see here, we are at exactly $56. Here's a huge resistance level. We need to get up and above 54 and hold up above it. And this could start going to 60 and beyond. So if you're making money off of this because of watching these videos, get in the Discord, guys. This is the time to join. Too many people, they join towards the end of the bull run, and I'm like, wow, you don't even get to see my best work because you're just busy holding a big bag all the way down at that point. Although a lot of traders do come out stronger because of the bear market. But now the bull market is here. We know everything's going to keep going up, and you can just slap calls with plenty of time on them, and it's going to be easy money. Don't make the mistake of buying short-term dated calls. I've known people who they get super greedy and start buying, 7-day to expiration, 3-day to expiration calls, hoping to score 100% return every day. And the one time they're wrong, obviously they get absolutely destroyed. So I give it some time. Buy them like I would say if you're going to buy calls, buy them 2 to 4 months out. If you want to be safer, the longer you can buy them out, the better, right? Like, I think leaps are like what, $3,000, $2,000, somewhere around there. Maybe they got more expensive now because of this huge pump, but you get what I'm saying. Like, they're not expensive, right? It's not a $300 stock. It's $56. You can buy plenty of time on them, even if it means a lower delta. The whole point is you're using now's the time to be using leverage right now, right? Not at the top. The idiots who use leverage at the top here got absolutely destroyed. In a matter of a few days, by the way, they got absolutely shellacked. They got mollywopped. They didn't know what happened. They were just like, wow, what a mollywhopper of a downtrend. I just got destroyed. People lost a lot of money because they were leveraged out the ass. The time to use leverage is now before we get to that previous high. This is it. We are above the purple line. And remember, every time we go above the purple line, what happens? We make a lot of money because it keeps going up. That doesn't mean we won't pull back. We will. As you can see here, historically speaking, we would expect a pullback. Every time we've come up to this resistance level, we pull back to around 40s, maybe even 50s here. So don't be shocked if we do pull back. If this doesn't pull back, we're going to 60, 70, and beyond. I'm hoping for a pullback. I was not expecting a 14% move like that. I was not. So, IonQ stock, yes, this is the one that's going to go, in my opinion, 10x. In my opinion. And every time we go into a bear market, you buy the dip. No being scared, none of that. You buy the fucking dip because you know it's going to come back up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.